friends, welcome back to Simply Shred.
In this video, we bring to you an easy recipe to make delicious, moist and soft cupcakes using Milo in no time and without an oven. To make 3 cupcakes, I have taken 2 packets of Milo, 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 egg, half a cup sugar, 4 tablespoons melted butter. Now let's check out the recipe. Mix Milo powder with 2 tablespoons hot water and keep it aside. Now add an egg and half a cup of sugar in a bowl and whisk well till the sugar dissolves. Sift the flour into a bowl and add them gradually in the egg mixture. Now add the melted butter and Milo one by one and whisk it well. In the meanwhile, bring water to boil in the steaming pan. Now pour the mixture into the greased cups. I'm using the cup which is available at home right now. In case you have cupcake molds, you can always use that. Now the steamer is ready. Keep the filled cups, cover it with the lid and wait for 10 minutes. It is important to cover the lid with a kitchen towel, so please don't skip it if you're trying this method. The yummy Milo cakes are ready. These steamed cakes are easy to digest and perfect for children.
Yay!